So if you guys want to enter the giveaway to win one of these chains right here for free, Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Here we got our two next 19mm prong set Cuban link reviews. So as you guys can see, there's 2 rows of stones on each link instead of 3 as our original 19mm prong set Cuban link. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys real quick, man. We got this set up outside for you guys. We got the rings on deck, looking super icy. So let's go ahead and start off with the white gold first. 2 rows of stones. So these stones are huge, as you guys can see, man. If you're trying to pop out, ice out, make everybody look at you, this is the way to go right here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on. This is how the lock looks right there. You guys can see, boom, lock it in. So let's go ahead and throw it on. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. I think I'm looking pretty icy with this one, man. I'm definitely gonna make a statement everywhere I'm going and definitely gonna get eyes, man. Imagine this in a nightclub. This is gonna be going crazy, guys, man. This is crazy. Go ahead and get that box lock. 19mm prong set Cuban link with 2 rows instead of 3 like our original one, man. And this thing is looking crazy. We have it right here in white gold, 18 inches. Here we got it in 18 inches right here, guys. But I do want to let you know, if your body type is different, then the chain will fit you differently. My neck size is around 16.5 inches to 16 inches. I'm not exactly sure, but this is how it looks on me. If you're a bigger person or you have a bigger neck size, you might want to go to a 20 inch to get this same look. Let me go ahead and bring that lock to the side. Boom. Get that shine for him, man. Get that shine for him. 19mm prong set Cuban link with 2 rows of stones, and these CZ stones hit like crazy, man. Super high quality right here. We are not playing no games right here. All right, let me go ahead and put on the yellow gold and show you guys how it looks. All right, guys, so here we have the yellow gold. Let me go ahead and unwrap it. Boom, man. Right here we have it in yellow gold. You guys can see, man, the ice on this thing is crazy. Super, super icy. Let me go ahead and get it with the yellow gold rings right next to it. And this thing is looking crazy. Boom, let me go ahead and throw it on for you guys. Boom, man. Right here we have it in 20 inches. As you guys can see, this thing is looking super, super icy. 19mm prong set Cuban link, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building. Got the box lock on the back. Bringing you guys the best reviews in the building, man. Let me go ahead and bring it to the side for you guys. So you guys let me know if you like our original 19mm with 3 rows of stones on each link, or if you like our new one right here with 2 rows of stones on each link, man. And if you guys stay tuned to this part of the video, hold on. If you guys stay tuned to this part of the video, man, you guys know it's Astroice Jewelry in the building, man, and we love to do giveaways. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway to win one of these chains right here for free, all you got to do is comment down below, show us some love, share this video on your social media, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Show us some love, man. Give this video a like and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube account. Commenting down below is the most important step that you have to do. We're gonna go ahead and do a random comment selector and pick one of the comments to win this chain for free, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building, man. Ain't nobody else doing it like us. Let's get it, man. The best reviews in the building. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or anything you guys want to ask us, make sure to DM us on Instagram and we'll answer all your questions, man. Astroice_Jewelry. Let's get it, man. We'll see you in the next one.